Hey there, it's Morgan with WTI. This wooden controller stand with a headphone holder for my game controllers and headphones from PAP products is so awesome. It is so nice that it holds so much and it looks so good while doing it. I love having both of my controllers on there with my over-ear headphones, and it just holds them in such a nice way. It looks so good with the decor in my house too, which is kind of a big deal to me. I want to be able to have all my electronics looking nice and not being an eyesore in my home. So this is so nice to be able to have out on my coffee table, to have easy access to my controllers and my headphones while still looking nice and not cluttered in any way. It is so nice. I love this dark wood color. I think it looks really nice in my home, but would definitely look good in any home as well. It's just very classy and it's very easy to keep everything organized and in its proper place. It definitely feels like high quality, and I'm so happy to have it. It's great to have any different place in your house that you want to have access to your headphones or your controllers, and I just think this thing is really awesome. It's definitely a great product that I'm happy to have, and it's nice to use in a lot of different ways as well. I can put my switch right on it or just hold my controllers with it, and I think it's really great. I definitely recommend this product. And that's my point of view.